It's a kind of magic. It's a kind of magic. A kind of magic.
Well, hi guys, I'm WadaC2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a PAPAIZ CR60 padlock. I've got quite a few PAPAIZ padlocks for my padlock collection. This one and a CR50 cutaway were given to me by my great friend BM Frank on our UK Lock Sport forum, so thank you so much for those, my friend, and they look fantastic in my little collection. The PAPAIZ padlocks are Brazilian, I don't know if you can see that on there, and they're quite high security. I know they've got spool pins in them, but unsure how many, or should I say was unsure. But the cutaway CR50 shows 5 spool driver pins, so I would assume the CR60 is more or less the same. Do have working keys for this. I'll show you these. That's one of the working keys there. I hope you can see that, because my autofocus, as I've said before, is not very good. So if I hold it too close it blurs. Show you the keys working. Locked back up. I'm going to be using one of my homebrew flexi wrenches and my custom medium hook, and I'm going to start at the front of the lock. You get counter rotation on every pin whenever you start actually picking this lock, so they are actually nice locks to pick. So I'll get on, go on to the first pin. That's it picked. So that's the PAPAIZ CR60 Brazilian padlock single pin picked. So if you are newbies to lock sport, guys, please come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.